Thanks for watching ShotokuTech. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much. Welcome back to ShotokuTech. This is the July channel update where we're going to highlight some of the features of this channel. First of all, let's look at YouTube analytics, and we see the top three are still top three. Forget your passwords, two-tier PKI lab, and running sysprep with an unattended file. Second and third place are in the 500 view range, and forget your passwords coming up on 1,300 views. Make sure to look in the description below for all the videos that I'll be calling out here. We can look at the analytics from YouTube, and these two columns on the right are basically an indication now of how YouTube's algorithms work. This is the video thumbnail impressions and the video thumbnail impressions click-through rate. So YouTube is showing somebody a thumbnail and they interact with it, and then they actually click through. So we can see how that click-through rate actually influences top 10 view time or performance in these other three categories. And this is what I've exported from the analytics here. But let's go on and look at some videos now. So in June, we also had a rocketry update where we called out two specific projects coming up for ShotokuTech. And those projects were the Maiden flight of Project X and a 1/150th scale Saturn V to celebrate the Apollo 11 50th. So we said we were going to do it, and then we actually did deliver. It was a lot of hard work in July just to come through with those two projects. And then, of course, whenever there's a space race, you get technology spin-offs. So we made this great video testing this handheld camera stabilizer because I had a really shaky camera view in the Maiden flight of Project X with the camera that I was holding in my hand. More tech videos, Azure AD Connect, examining sync errors, checked out a mobile password manager, KeyPass to Android. I have a couple of beer reviews for Keto. I've been on Keto since March, working out pretty good for me. So that's it so far for July. Let's take a look on the social channels here. So on Twitter, we're talking about those YouTube algorithms. A lot of people are watching this video about coffee. I think they're getting juiced up to watch PewDiePie play Minecraft. On Facebook, same thing there. Just echoing out the channel. This work on the Apollo 11 anniversary, that rocket. I really hope you'll watch that video. There was a lot of work went into making that rocket and flying it. And if you follow me on Twitter or Facebook, you'll see some of the other posts of the work going into it as it progressed. Same thing in the ShotokuTech LinkedIn page, where I'm talking about what this channel is about. This is an experiment. It's a hobby about recording hobbies and interests. And I've produced a video every 2.89 days for the last 8.5 months. And I do enjoy this flow of creativity. I hope you'll leave a comment on any of the videos. Let me know what direction you want to go in. Let's take a look at Flikr. Yeah, you can see that adventure getting out there, getting ready to fly that Saturn V, and I flew my regular 1/100th scale Estes Saturn V, so make sure to check out that video on my YouTube channel. And I actually share the parts right here on Thingiverse, so if you got a 3D printer, you could download that can, download that spacecraft, and the rest of that is hand-rolled tubing, and I printed up some of these wraps from the paper modeling library. I'll have a link for that down below. It's also in the description of the video for Apollo 11 50th rocket flights. So that's it. Again, thank you very much. Please look around, watch some videos, leave some comments, subscribe, like, share, and have a great day. Thank you.